What up, what up? It's Brian here. Man, I'm out here cleaning pools, you know, doing everything that I should be doing. Cleaning them pools, cleaning them pools. What, cleaning those pools. So anyway, so I'm up here, right? This will be the second one that I ran into. So check this out. He's over there just swimming away. What are you doing down there, buddy? That is a snapper turtle. He has found his way into the pool. He swam right into it. What are you doing, bud? What are you doing down there? Free the turtle. Saying thank you.